What's the meaning of citizen's arrest? Citizen's arrest. Citizen's arrest.
Citizen's arrest. Citizen's arrest. A citizen's arrest is when a private individual detains a person suspected of committing a crime until law enforcement arrives. This practice is authorized by certain jurisdictions and requires that the arresting individual has probable cause to believe that a crime has been committed. The detainee is held until law enforcement arrives to take over the situation. If the arrest is found to be lawful, the detainee may face charges and prosecution. However, if the citizen's arrest is found to be unlawful, the arresting individual may face charges themselves.